Hello friends, me Shivanraj from Nalanda VR, which is also known for the one of the most ancient university in the world. As of our 30th birthday of 365-day challenge to do podcast and record some videos related to our skills, related to academics. So today we are doing a kind of mock interview where we will ask questions related to resume. So, as of your resume showing that you are interested in front and back end part, so at first
Yeah.
introduce yourself.
Okay. I am Snasi Samal. I am from Odisha, and I'm currently pursuing my BE in Computer Science Engineering, where I have done web development intern in two companies also. I think last semester, and also like I have skilled in my React JS, my Java, and in backend basically I'm learning about Spring Boot and I have done two certificate also I have gained from NPTEL, that is responsible AI and also system design for sustainability, where I have done also two certificate from Oracle and from JP Morgan's, and where we have done a project about full stack development project that is called as Evercard, that is a quick commerce website and it is under development still. And some of the things like we have done a stock prediction, we have done where we have collected all the data and basically we have formed in a graph way and future tense it is. And also in MIT project also we have done a project also, clean water and sanitation. Yeah, that's it about me.
So, as you mentioned,
Yeah.
so can you elaborate like these are the skills, front end skill, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how you learn? Are these just skills you learn just in college or apart from college you learn?
Yeah, so basically, about your answer question, like no, I have learned from my college also, and from home also. I have learned everything what I have studied in college. Also, I have basically studied in different channels and all, like social media, like YouTube and all. I have learned about front end and back end all,
So,
and
what are the
yeah,
explain?
okay, that's it.
So, as of front-end skill, what are the projects you did?
Front end we have done like for like I have done in my first or second year, like Amazon clone I have done, and one like a converter I have done, like from USD to USD different countries converter, currency converter, and also like affiliate Amazon links. Like directly I have created my website and basically I have given like links and all directly to open in Amazon and all. We have done front end is first that only, and from React also we have done a React project like example I can say this only, like Evercard we have done. That was best project I can say we have done.
So, while doing those projects, what are the mistakes you did, and like what are the challenges you faced? What are the mistakes like you don't know that these are the mistakes, but after some time when you realize it was late, like while creating any application.
Like when I just created my Evercard project. So basically, I have not think about the designs and all before. Just I have started. Let us start like that, or we have done. We have not done the meetings and all correctly, like how to do
Hmm.
and all. That was the first mistake we have done. Like not group chatting we have done, and the
Hmm.
next mistake was like I did not know about like no check out that things and correctly. So what I've done, I have taken little help of like ChatGPT and all to basically help of that, and some of the things like payment and all that are incomplete still, and responsive is good but little responsive is not clear because that was the mistakes I've faced.
So, as you mentioned those mistakes, how you face those mistakes at the time when you was creating those application? How you managed those things? What
After
path?
I just know, after I just started my features and all, like after I thought like, okay, this all things I've done mistake. Then we have basically talked together in a meet. We have talked, and in college also we talked together in one place. Like what all to designs all we have to do. We have talked about that little much of about that, and also like we have taken all the tasks, like whoever wants to do this or that, they have taken the task and all, and they have done. And next mistake was like not getting the checkout page and all correctly. I have done. So in where I have taken, I have fixed by using ais and all, by taking help like how to do some topics I did not known about that, like to use this. So I've taken help from AIs and all directly. So I've got it.
So, as you mentioned, RESTful API databases, agile collaboration. So, what do you know about RESTful API and RESTful API databases and agile collaboration?
Agile collaboration is that only it is a basic principle, like the all when you create one or develop no project and all, before that you should have a agile thing, that is like no agility, like it is like everyone of your developers will sit in one place, and basically they will basically talk how the project will be like what is the preparation, like they will prepare all things, the requirements they will take from your clients and all. So like that, that is a agile principle, I can say. There are 12 principles in agile also. And next, what is your question was?
What is RESTful API and database?
Okay, RESTful API, basically REST API basically means like your get request, your post request. That is called REST APIs. I'm right.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that is a REST API. So I have understood in my backend side. I have learned about that REST APIs and all. And
And what is
about
the
databases, I have done a lot in backend. Like I have connected to database and I have worked a lot, like taking the username or anything, like taking and saving in my database and all, how to do. I've learned the things.
okay? So, as you mentioned, as I experience, you work in two company. So, explain those intern activities little within 30 second.
Okay, my role was like a web developer intern, where I have worked with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, where it is a basically they gave some task on my Gmail account, so they have given to aside, and I have done the task and all. After doing the task, we have to basically upload on GitHub. After that, we have to share that link to that company, and also we have to post in LinkedIn. That link I should basically post to our companies, where they have given the some tasks. There we have to basically fill the form. They will give a form submission date in the last day, so we have to submit that form by using that links. Also we have to add that all, and they will basically check all the things we have done. After they will check, they will send you the no your basic completion certificate they will give also. Like that I will get it after checking and all. It takes some times to verify also, like 2 to 3 days they will take.
Your explanation was very long. So, as of your education, um, you not mentioned CGPA and percentage for 10th, 12th, and you not mentioned that 10th also.
Yeah.
So, can you explain like why you not mentioned CGPA in resume?
No, nothing like in the resume. Basically, the CGPA also not required if some resume asks there like that. So basically, I have
No.
not used there directly.
CGPA is compulsory.
Hmm.
Yes.
But someone told like if you don't want to keep, so you cannot don't keep there.
No. CGPA matters.
But they can
Then
ask directly there. What is your CGPA? So I can say directly my CGPA is this.
no, you should write. One teacher told me to write.
Okay.
I
Okay.
also not written in my resume. So sir
Oh,
told to mention.
oh, everything I have to do then.
Then your wish. Apart from that, then what do you know in front end? What are the skills you have?
In front end, I
Means
have like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind CSS, and I know React JS also. That is the front end thing I have known.
okay.
Yeah.
Backend.
Backend, I know about Spring Boot, and in Spring Boot also there are different things like Spring Security. We have JPA, JWT, and all we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Databases.
Databases, MySQL, MongoDB, that I know.
What are the achievements and certification you have?
Um, I have got a JP Morgan software engineer job simulations from this forage, and also Google Oracle Cloud also have got like infrastructure foundation, that is that's the Oracle Cloud thing, and that's it about the my certification, and three hackathons also I have participated as a participant, like I've not gained.
Okay. What are the projects you did and what was your role in projects?
Projects I have done, I told you already. Okay, I will say like, okay, the first thing is Evercart I have done. That's a full stack with quick commerce platform. We have used like React JS and all. Tailwind we have used, Spring Boot, MySQL. We have used something of that. And next is like clean water and sanitation also we have
What
done.
was your
That
role?
is uh, first thing, I was a team leader in that project, and also we have basically we have done agile principle like that, like talking and going to the meet like sprint daily, like 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour. We do daily meetings, like what to do and all, and also like my role was like to make a front end and little back end things I have added. Yeah, that was my role in my Evercard.
Second.
Okay. Second is clean water and sanitation system. That is micro controller and IoT. That is an MIT project. In college, we have then a group of four people, where we have the topic was like clean water and sanitation, where like we will collect the water and we will check if it is pure or not. We will be checking. It is like using your sensor system with computer.
Third. What was your role?
Uh, Yeah, I was a basically team member of that project, where I have just helped like something of that. I have helped like using like some coding or something like collecting and all like that I have done.
Okay, next project.
Next is like a stock P, that is stock market tracking application, where we have done a 8 hour hackathon. There we have created this, developed this project, and I was a team member in that project. And I have done front end with my friends, like I have helped with them.
Okay.
And
Any question? Any question from me.
Yeah, so I have a question like, do you in your companies, what is your like, work time and all? Like, what is your um,
You must have
work
to
time like
be
things?
you must have to be dedicated in our company and feel like this is your family. So timing is as of normal company regular. Have every company 9 to 5, 5:30, 5. So this is the timing, and then we'll see you. We'll reach out later.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. You can check my LinkedIn.
Yeah. See you.
Okay, let us know about yourself. It's like more. Okay, Shivam Raj, I have your resume. So, can you say about yourself?
Hello, sir. Me Shivam Raj from Nalanda Vihar, which is known for the one of the most ancient university in the world. Me learned some skills and created projects related to those skills in real world application like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I learned React, then IoT, Flutter, then some backend part learning like databases. So, with the help of these skills, I created some clones, portfolio about me project, then clean water and sanitation project, file manager application, and I work at and also went for 2 hackathons to grab some extra knowledge apart from college curriculum and I also have two NPTEL courses successfully passed. One is
Mhm.
responsible and safe AI, which is very useful for current trend, and another one is system design and sustainability. So these are the things about me.
Okay, let us check your resume. So, yeah, I can see the your educations and all. In higher secondary, you got 72, and in basically Bachelor of Engineering, how did you got more? Like, what is the thing that you
So
have gotten more?
hmm, actually, I am not a brilliant student. I am an average student. So I actually try to score between 80 to 90 and to learn extra things apart from college or schools related to college or schools curriculum. So that's why I got around 80%, 80.01% in school. So that was the percentage which I want to maintain in higher secondary also.
Okay.
But I was preparing for JE. Maybe you know that JE is a
Yeah, I know, I know.
college level competition for nationwide where you score good and get good rank to get good JE company, JE
Mm.
college. Sorry. So I was preparing for that. So I was little distracted with college studies, means intermediate study. It is very different. Like JE study, JE syllabus is different. Then 12th higher secondary education is different. Intermediate. So that's why I got little distracted and not little distracted. Actually, I was working on. I was learning more JE for JE and less around 10% or 20% of time only I was giving. Actually, when I was started preparation, I was giving only for JE. So that was the thing why I got less marks, around
Okay, okay.
72.20.
Oh, okay.
And Then in college also, as I mentioned that I'm average student, so I try to manage 80 to 90% and explore other things. So that's why I was still able to manage CGPA, get CGPA in bachelor degree.
Mhm. But it should change short, not this much long. It is very long. You told about that.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
It's like I can say like I was preparing for JEE, so I have spent a lot, means more in that stream. So that's
Yeah,
why.
yeah, that's right. And yeah, like, can you just say about your interest and all? Just you have mentioned like UA, UX, and something like reading
So,
technologies and all.
hmm. So as I mentioned that I try to learn new things. Like I like to learn new things. So that's why I created some projects like clones. Then UI UX design means user friendly, user
Responsive.
interface and responsive, responsive nature. So it's like when you are working on a project, you must create an application which is user friendly. User friendly means getting knowledge within few clicks, not having more than 2 3 clicks to go to uh, some path somewhere. So it is UI UX design. Then learning new frameworks like as we learn React. So with the
Mm-hmm.
help of React, we can create an application within one file where we can code all HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But as we previously learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, we create file in another project, another different files. But here we can actually, with the help of React, uh, we can change data without refreshing whole data. Means one component. So that is framework. Then reading technology blogs like research papers, then exploring new technology with the help of Instagram. Means these are the things exploring, uh, how I explore. Then continuous learning and personal growth, like continuous learning, personal growth, like you can say now also we are working on our personal communication skill. So we are doing regularly. And I also have a skill of reading books. So yeah, these things and other things like health, wellness. I know Kannada, English, like learning Kannada also interested, doing meditation. So these are the things, interest.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, like in front end, your back end database, what all coding language do you know?
For front end, I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React as a framework. Then back end, Express.js a little, learning right now. Like uh,
Mm-hmm.
as a beginner, right now for backend, I am a beginner. Then database, NoSQL, MySQL, I know. Uh, for tools like I know Git, GitHub, then Postman, and uh, yeah, that's it.
Okay. So you have done this all things. Um, so what all like projects you have done and what is your contribution in that?
So there are 4 projects where I participated. One was file
Okay.
manager application, so it was related to Dart language. So it was to access data, means store data and manage data in it, like file manager application. I was working as a teammate. It was a it was a project of 4 members. So I was working as a teammate and try to help to develop this application, all having similar opportunities with the help of all people. It's like development part. I was involved in development part in file manager application. Then second was a Stocksby. In a Stocksby, it was a project I participated as a team member again in a hackathon. So my role was to develop front end, and my teammates was means it was me and one more teammates
Okay.
was doing on a front end part, and one on back end part and integration of front end back end. So it was my role in Stocksby. Then third is clean water and sanitation. So this project was to not predict, to analyze the quality of water on the basis of different sensors, IoT sensors. And my role was as a teammate, integration part, coding part. Yeah, these things was my role.
Hmm.
Integration, coding, a little part of coding, not as much. Then last I
Collecting of
forgot.
device.
Hmm?
Collecting also.
Collecting also, yeah. Collecting components. That was also my role. Then Evercart. In Evercart, as a development, I was working with my teammates. It was also a group project. All projects are group projects. So here also, I was working as a development. So yeah, that's all about my projects.
Okay. And like you have told about some expertise and all. Testing, debugging, API integration. What do you mean by API integration and testing, debugging, and all? Explain me.
Actually, I don't know much more about it. I just learned in college
Okay.
and I pasted it here. I don't know much more
Okay.
about it. I learned in ACPM, Software Engineering Project Management,
Hmm.
testing, debugging, those things. So for those, like for those things, I think I can manage. I should mention here. So I mentioned.
And what is your strength and weakness?
My strength is I like to explore new things, but my weakness is when I try to learn new things, uh, I don't know which path I should follow, and I got distracted. So this is my weakness where I am working right now to do one task at a time, so that I will become more productive for one task at a time. Means for all tasks for a short period of time or long period of time. So they are the weakness and my skill, my strength.
Okay. So explain about your extra curriculum activities you have just wrote in your resume.
Okay,
In short,
so
in short.
as of I mentioned AICT, NSS, and marathon. So I interested in outdoor activities. So that's why I participate in these activity. AICT means extra curriculum activity, which is a part of college curriculum, like going to a village, then going to a government school and introduce some laptops related things and teaching, then exploring how to do waste management. In NSS also same thing, but it is different. It is also a college curriculum, but a little different activities
Okay. Hmm.
like blood donation camping, attend then plantation. managing plants. These are the things in NSS. Then marathon. So in marathon, it gives me motivation for doing a long-term task. So that's why I participated in two marathon. Last year, JSS, and previous the Anand Sagar College 5K marathon, 5 kilometer.
Okay. Nice to talk with you. So, any questions do you have?
So as of my knowledge and my skills, what will be my expected salary if I will work in your company?
Based or on your basic resumes, I can give you like just think more than 10 LP.
Okay. And one more question, may I ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
So, what will be my work role and what are the skills I need to improve uh, as of my interview with you? Like, you think I should improve a little bit if I.
So when I see your resumes, I think you know good front end things and you know some of the back end things, but I think you should learn about back end more. And if you want to become like your job role, you can do your front end jobs. But if you practice little back end and all beginning things, you can get your job in full stack also.
Yeah, I am interested in full stack. So, okay, I will work on backend part.
Yeah, if you know little of bit, and if you know like front end, if you know more, and back end you know like less, also you will get a full stack job because you are a fresher. So you should learn of little things.
Okay, okay. And what
Yeah.
will be my roles?
uh, we will be assigning to you in a project group where you will be member of that group, and we will say you like after you come to our basic jobs and all, we will assign you this. So yep, we will check your interview and all. We will in email we will be sending you when and where if you are passed or not.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.